How's it going, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here, and sorry about that background noise. My neighbors are getting their grass cut. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about what we have planned today. Today we're actually going to the Chemical Guys car meetup, in which is going to be a ton of mopars there. It's going to be a very big meet, and there's a cruise after that as well. So I'm going to be taking you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and let's get the fun started. So guys, we just pulled up, and this place is packed.
That's my motto. That's how I live my life. Everything. If you think about it, a couple squirts will never hurt.
Look at these wheels, guys. They're massive. And it's bagged too. This thing is a work of art. The one color I would think about wrapping my car is the purple color. That is huge.
Oh yeah, that's a cow hood, but it is extra.
To go on the cruise now.
Jesus Christ.
Alright guys, so we wrapped that up at Chemical Guys. As you guys saw the footage there, a lot of nice cars, a lot of high horsepower cars there. So it was definitely a great idea to come out and check these cars out. Had a lot of fun, and now we're heading out to our cruise behind a few other challengers. And this is gonna be, you know, quite a long cruise, looks like, but definitely a nice one because the area they're going to is really nice. So I want to give you guys some footage of that, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Guys, unfortunately, I ended up following the wrong group to the freeway, and there was a group of 3 challengers, as you guys probably see in the video, and I was under the impression that everyone was going on a cruise afterwards. But it looks like these guys were heading home, and I just followed them, and we ended up kind of just heading back towards my house. So I called my other buddies who are actually going on the cruise, and they're just way too far ahead. I don't really feel like playing the catch-up game right now because I'm just not going to enjoy it. So we're going to sit this one out, unfortunately. I'm sorry, guys. I know this video, I got excited about going on the cruise earlier, but, you know, things happen, and unfortunately we couldn't make it on this one. But there's always going to be a next one, so we're just going to safely sit out of this one and wait until we get to the next one. Yeah, so that's it for this one, guys. I apologize once again. We couldn't make the cruise. What can you do? I was actually really excited for it too, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys in the next one. Rush SRT signing out. Peace.